Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Tinder not working. You will go to settings in this first page, like this here. You will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find this window of Tinder, and you will click here on this application of Tinder as you see, and you can click here. In this page you will go to this window of permissions, and here in this window you will check if all these permissions are allowed. You will allow this permission of contacts, phone, photos and videos, location and notifications. As you see, they are already allowed like this. So after that you will return. You will find this page of app info here. You will go to first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here in this page you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data, because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. In the end you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Tinder and you can click here. And then in this page, if you find update in this blue sign, of course you will update your app. But if all these steps not working with you, then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.